Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. We're going to try out Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge on decals in the dishwasher. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Okay, so I used the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. You can see it says Dishwasher Safe Top Rack, only dishwasher safe, on a project a couple days ago. And Kathleen wondered if the decal that I used on that project would melt in the dishwasher. Well, that project's already in the shop, so I'm not going to try it out on that. But what I do have is a Dollar Tree white mug. So this $1.25 tree, I went ahead and took a little lacquer thinner and just cleaned the surface to make sure that it was not oily or anything weird. So that's the only thing I've done to this. It's just a white cup. I have this decal from my myriad of decals that I've got. We're going to put that on the cup. I think it'll be cute, right? And then we're going to try the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge, and I'm going to run it through the dishwasher on the top rack on high heat, just to give it the worst test possible. But first things first, we got to get it transferred and then clear coated and dried. And I don't know, does it say how long it has to dry? "28 days to cure." There may be a delay in the results of this video. Okay. Let me do a little research and see if I have to wait till it's fully cured. I'm guessing I would before I put it in the dishwasher. Well, bummer. You do have to let it cure for the full 28 days, y'all. 28 days. Okay. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. So I might as well do it now. If we're going to do it, we might as well do it right. So let's just get the transfer on there first. And I'm going to put it on the side that faces me, like a right-hand face. Which I never understood that. I guess you want to look at the pretty side when you're drinking your coffee. But like when it says something sassy, I want it to be facing out so that everybody can see my sass. Okay, so I've just laid my transfer down. Isn't that gonna be cute? It's gonna be cute. I hope it doesn't melt off in the dishwasher because I like it now. And we're just gonna rub on the transfer. Standard practice rub on transfer. Nothing special about this. This is from Redesign. Move you down a little bit more. Boom. Can you see better? One second, I gotta take a call. The decal is on and it looks super cute. It laid down really nice too. I was so happy with that. This is the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. It does have to cure the 28 days, so we're gonna let it. We're gonna do what we need to do to make sure it gets the best chance it can get. Because we are gonna put it through its paces. I do want to put like 3 coats on here. So that's coat 1. We're going to let that dry and then we'll come back and do it again. Okay, we're going to put coat 2 on. dried at the touch. We're going to get the coat 2. I am making sure every edge and corner piece is on there good. We'll let that dry. All right, coat 3. Like I said, I'm going to give this the best chance I can give it. All right. Ugh, nobody wants a lip full of glue. All right, that's the last coat. Now, we wait for 28 days. I am filming this on April 23rd. So 28 days from the 23rd would be, I don't know. Again, May 21st. So on May 21st, we're going to come back to this. I'm actually going to keep it out in the other room where it's warmer, just to make sure that it has time to actually properly cure. This room is kind of cold, a little chilly in here. So on May 21st, I'm running it through the dishwasher. Or the 22nd, if it, depends on how busy it is. But that's a Sunday, so that should work. All right, we're doing this. So come back to me May 21st, and we'll see, or 22nd, I think the video will go up the next day. So we're going to run it through the dishwasher. We're going to see if the decal stays. Top rack only. So we're going to leave this sit for 28 days. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'! Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.